Hi everyone, welcome to day 10 of my 30-day personal growth challenge. Today is Tuesday, it's June 9th, and last time when we spoke it was a Saturday. So not filming on Sunday was a pretty conscious decision because I had some personal stuff going on and I really wanted to put my time and energy into that. And I'm okay with it, but yesterday I really wanted to film, and my morning as usual started with work, and the work that I did yesterday really consumed a lot of my energy, and I was pretty much drained by around like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And I tried filming the video, but the energy just didn't seem right, and I just felt like somebody has forced me to sit and talk in front of the camera. So I let that go. I thought I would start fresh from tomorrow, and I am here. Now it's around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So my morning began with, as usual, my morning routine, and then I had a work meeting that went on a little bit longer than I expected it to be. And if you watched my previous videos, you would know that I do something called as a personal development buddy, wherein I catch up with a friend every day to talk about like our goals and all of it. So yesterday we kind of set out a plan for the next 30 days, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about like fitness and where I'm with and what I'm trying to do. And I feel like when it comes to physical exercises, I feel like I've got a good grip over it, because I see that I'm doing yoga pretty consistently, and most of the days I do yoga, and in between I kind of incorporate high intensity workouts as well as cardio workouts. And every single day almost, like, there are hardly a few days wherein I do not go out for walks. So I feel like when it comes to physical exercise, I'm pretty good and I'm pretty comfortable with what I'm doing. Also a few challenging things that I do here and there. But when it comes to food, I struggle with it a little bit, because let's be honest, the kind of food that we get nowadays is not really healthy. And I have enrolled in a food, like a nutrition course, wherein you learn about the basics of food, like what kind of nutrition it has, like what vegetable has which nutrition, what you should be consuming in terms of being healthy. And also it addresses like issues such as addictive food. The food that's available now, processed foods, they kind of have certain ingredients which makes it really addictive, so that you go back to it and they can increase their sales. So it addresses those kind of issues. And also it talks about like how to cook, what kind of meals you need to make, what kind of ingredients you need to use, so that the food, the nutrition that you take in is pretty well balanced. And it also talks about how to grocery shop, so that you pick you're buying fruits and vegetables which has different kind of nutrients. And the best part about this course is that it's actually live, and when I say live, the lessons are actually pre-recorded, but it opens the enrollment for this course is open now, and it goes on for 4 weeks, and it has more than 30,000 students from all over the world. So we have like a forum wherein we can share about what we learned, what our experience is when it comes to food, like in the past. And it has people from it has professionals from the food industry. There are cooks, there are bloggers, and there are nutritionists and all of them. So it's really nice to engage with them to see what they think about it. And the best thing is that they share their blogs, their websites, and their Instagram handles, so you can gain knowledge even from that. And the way I look at this course is that it's a very basic course. It's something that I feel everyone should know about, and certainly that I want to know about when it comes to food. I'm excited for that. I'm going to be starting that today, and it actually doesn't require a lot of time. So each week one video comes out, and I think the video is about half an hour, and then we have like a homework to do, and that takes about somewhere around 15 minutes to half an hour. So I'm excited about that, because I want to make it more a lifestyle rather than just a dieting phase to attain a certain like goal or something. I want to make proper sustainable lifestyle changes, because I know from my own experience that diets are not sustainable. I want it to be more of a lifestyle change. that's just my plan for the rest of the day. I don't have anything else to do. Oh yeah, I have one thing. I'm working on the next podcast episode, so I'll be doing that. And yesterday a podcast episode went live in which I spoke about my personal development update for April. And I feel like April was the month when a lot of things shifted in my personal development journey. So if you're interested about what I did, how I did, then make sure you check that out. I'll leave all the links in the description box below. And also there's a free bonus included. If you didn't know, right now in June I'm doing my first round of beta testing for my one-to-one coaching, and I'll be opening the second round wherein you can get coached by me when it comes to like setting your goals, creating systems so that you keep achieving your goals even after the coaching session is over. It just helps you get clarity about what kind of goals you want to work on, and there's a lot of other things that we'll be working on. So if you're interested, just reach out to me and I will get back to you with the details. And one more thing I do want to specify is that the difference between watching such kind of videos and then actual coaching is that when I film these videos, I mainly share about my experiences and I kind of put my words in a way that it's applicable to everyone who's watching. But when it comes to coaching, it'll be more specific and tailored to you. So, the kind of systems that we create, the kind of techniques that we use is very specific to your lifestyle. For example, if you're working, we'll do everything that, you'll not have to compromise your work or your family life. And if you're a college student, so we'll concentrate on that and see how we can build personal development routines and kind of build goals which is more suitable for that. Or if you're staying at home, we'll see how we can maximize your experience and see how you really can take action and build systems so that you can start achieving a life that you've always wanted. If you're interested in working with me, then make sure you reach out to me. Just let me know in the comments if you're interested, or the best way to reach out to me is on Instagram, and I'll leave all the links like I mentioned before in the description box. So that's it for day 10, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.